The Insta360 X4 standard bundle targets creators who want high-resolution 360 capture plus the flexibility of traditional wide-angle video in a single kit. The bundle calls out practical specs such as waterproof construction for wet shoots, 8K 360 capture capability alongside a 4K wide-angle shooting mode for conventional footage, removable lens guards to protect optics, and advertised battery life around 135 minutes for many shooting scenarios, and AI-assisted editing tools to speed up post-production. User reviews reflect an appreciation for the bundle approach. Many buyers like having both 360 and wide-angle options so they can switch shooting styles without carrying multiple cameras. The invisible selfie-stick effect and robust stabilization get regular praise for producing footage that looks polished straight out of the camera. Reviewers who use the camera for travel and action sports often say the X4 balance of portability, image quality, and software tools makes it a favorite for hands-free POV and cinematic 360 storytelling. Constructive criticism focuses on the expectations around resolution versus bitrates. Some creators want even higher bitrate options for very large-scale productions, and occasional early firmware quirks noted by reviewers that are typically fixed by updates. For most enthusiasts and prosumers, the X4 standard bundle is a very compelling, well-rounded 360+ wide-angle solution. We share by links in description box.